we introduce RoseLips. Pressensa is one of the most dynamic brands in Europe in the cosmetic and aesthetic medicine sector. Fillers, virtual meso, advanced dermal solutions, peelings, professional cosmetics, and personal care. 6 lines based on constant research and innovation. 3 words define the concept of our products: efficiency, safety, and quality. Today, I present RoseLips, a unique product to achieve beautiful lips with a natural tone, volume, and hydration. RoseLips has been exclusively developed by Pressensa after years of research. Thanks to the low molecular level of hyaluronic acid, RoseLips has a deeper penetration into the layers of the epidermis, providing great hydration to the skin. In addition, it stimulates the production of collagen, which contributes to a more youthful appearance of the lips, reconstructs and repairs the skin barrier in cracked areas, protects against free radicals, and gives healthy, delicious, and pink appearance. RoseLips certainly has what is being more demanded for the lips: natural tone, volume, and hydration. Do you want to know more about Pressensa products? If you haven't registered yet, do so at Pressensa Shop, and you will have access to all the information about our products, as well as offers and a personalized service. Pressensa, beauty secret.